Hey guys, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike. I'm a fashion freak, Goyard geek, a luxury lover, a shopper, a chic shit, an Hermès whore, Cartier king, a Chanel, no, a Chanel king, a Dior daddy, and other things. And today's video is very quick, where I'm at, how I feel, touch base, premonitions, predictions, prefacing Paris. I'm just trying to alliteration. If you haven't noticed, I love alliteration. Predetermined, I should have looked up some better words. Darn it, Mayank. Well, I'm out of time. Okay, so basically I'm just going to talk about how I feel right now before my Paris trip and what I'm anticipating and what I'm expecting and what, just predictions of what I'm going to see so that I'm going to post it, and then I'm going to watch this later and see what happened, and then I'll post a video and see what happened. But this is how I feel, where I'm going into it, and how I feel going into it, and everything that's lined up and not lined up, and where I'm at with everything as I go to France today. So if that's something you're interested in, and there's more, I feel like that wasn't a good sell. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so you guys, I am leaving for France today. It's January 14th, Saturday. I'm going for the winter sales, which is the solde d'hiver, which the entire city goes on sale from 40 to 80%, 50 to 80%, 50% the first week, which was last week, 60% this coming week, 70% the following week, and 80% the final week. But like, obviously, supply gets dwindling down and the size might not be there. So it's kind of that game of like, do you want to get this? Do you want to wait for more discount, or do you want to get it? And like the craziness of it, the people going crazy. There's the outlets, there's the department stores. I'll try to post some videos of what it's like there, but I mean, I've gone every year for forever, and it's always crazy. It's a madhouse. The sales are getting a little less and less, and then all the other designers do have sales too. I missed the Hermès sale. Hermès has a very quick 3-day sale at the beginning. It's like invite only, and it's in some location in the 17th where you stand and wait like 9 hours. And I don't know if you guys follow Cassie Thorpe, who I love and who gave me the inspiration for this, to do this channel. Thank you, Cassie. She posted a whole video of like her whole 9-hour experience of doing it, and like somebody fainted and they don't give you water and there's nowhere to sit, and it's a crazy experience, and you wait 5 hours in every line or whatever to go, like a line to go into this section, a line to go this section, a line to pay. Sounds crazy. And there's no bags there. Not really. It's mostly jewelry and stuff, but it is really good savings, like 50 to 60 to 70%. Anyway, I think Chanel does something, but it's secret too. I'm going to find out. I texted both my Chanel's essays. I also asked them for a few bags to see what they have. So stay tuned on that, and we'll see. They both are so nice and lovely, and I'll probably get something from one of them, hopefully. That's where I think I'm at with those. Probably something classic, but in a fun color, or something black in a caviar, if they have, or the Chanel 19. I don't know. We'll see. That's where I'm at with them. Goyard, I made an appointment with my essay, and we'll see what she says about what they have, because they are literally out of inventory. Like, their daily inventory changes so much. But I'm gonna go stand in line at Printemps as well, because they didn't give me their car. I didn't get an essay there. They were like, just come in. But it's like, it'll be crazy there. But I'm gonna go there first and see. I want to get the smaller Artois, and another St. Louis in a different color, and I want to get maybe something special, maybe a Minador, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I just want to see what they have. They literally have nothing every time I go. Last time I got just the big Artois, that orange Goyard, and the red pouch, the red toiletry bag, and some card holders and little things. So we'll see, but my thing resets, so I get 5 new bags, and I'm going with like 10 other people, so maybe I'll take some of their bags, because not all of them want it. We'll see. That's Goyard. Dior, I'm going to go back and look at the backpack. Okay, anyway, Dior, I'm going to go back and look at the backpack and kind of see what else they have there, but I don't really have anything that I want to get. I do love this, and I'm good with that. I think I need to wait a sec before I get another Dior bag. But we'll see. I'll probably impulse buy something. Louis Vuitton, I'm going to go get, I think I'm going to go get something from that collection. I love and I hate it. I feel like it's getting a lot of negative press, but I do kind of really like the red and black ones. But I texted both my essays. Those are already sold out. So I'll have to see. But is it Louis Vuitton in France? Like, there's got to be one location. There's 20 of them. Hopefully one of them will have it. Otherwise, maybe something in canvas, another canvas bag, because they're like dwindling and the prices keep going up and the supply is going down. So I'll probably try to get like a Speedy or like a Never Full or something. I don't have any of those things. I don't have anything basic from Louis Vuitton in my collection besides my Keep All. So we'll see. but I also did like the black backpack with the polka dots. I like the black and silver look, the graphite like midnight black like look. So maybe something from that. There's also this cool little card holder in black with red dots that was leather that I kind of like. So we'll see. That's where I'm at that. Okay, Goyard, Chanel. I'm going really fast with this. Cartier, I'm gonna go look and see if they have anything. I don't know if I'll get anything, but I mean, I do love this and I think I'm good for now. But we'll see. I'm excited to go. I'm nervous. I'm just kind of like all over the place and trying to figure out, you know, where I stand with these people and, you know, at Hermès especially, obviously. And more to that in a sec, but I think that, I also want to go look at Van Cleef, and I want to look at, there's another jewelry place I want to look at. Oh, there's some Dior jewelry that I actually kind of liked and cute. That was cute. Yeah. Okay. And maybe something from Hermès if they have the right size, which they never do. So Hermès, here we are. This is what, this is what I'm going for, just try to get a bag in. Okay. So where I left it was basically at Faubourg, not a great relationship with the guy, but with the girl, she's come back in January, just ask for me and I will try to get you your Kelly. So that's where we left it. I did email saying that I was coming to the general email and said I would love to work with her again. She was awesome. She was great. And she said she would just come back and ask for her. I didn't get her contact info, but can you just tell me if she's working this week? They said they passed the message on to her and that she should reach out, but I never heard from her. So I don't know what that means. Maybe she's just really busy or whatever, or maybe she doesn't want to give me her email yet. I followed up. They said, sorry that they haven't heard from her either. And they sent a follow. I said, don't send a follow-up. It's fine. I'll wait. FSH, that was FSH. George Sank, I texted with the guy, asked him for a few shirts and stuff to see if he had. He has 2 days holding for me, or he said he could, but then it was a week ago. So now he said he couldn't keep them that long, but he doesn't think they're going to sell because it's winter and nobody's buying those. So I'll go and see if he has those and then I'll get one from him. And then kind of, I'll get a shirt, kind of talk to him, see what I can do, maybe get some jewelry from that jewelry lady and see if we can kind of finagle a bag there. If not, I'll save the purchase for FSH with a different essay to try to build a relationship if my girl doesn't work or the other 2 people I connected with don't work or that guy is there and giving me negative energy. But I will try to talk to the manager. I will try to find Michael Conte again and see if he's available and maybe kind of up that relationship second time. And I wanted to go with a different look. My plan was to go for the different look and have dye my hair blonde or something like that, which I didn't do, but my friend did. So his hair is blonde now, and I didn't want both of us to be blonde because I thought it was too much. So, but I'm going to try to look a little different just in case so they don't recognize me, because that guy was saying, just wait till they forget you. So hopefully this is mostly for Sevres, but also for FSH too. So hopefully they don't remember, especially that one guy. If he's not there, I'm okay. I hope he's on vacation. Or I'll just try to patch things up. But basically, you know what, you guys, the gist of it, I'm manifesting this. I am so lucky. I am so grateful. I am so happy. I am blessed. Everything works out for me. Just think positive. I've always lived in the negative. 2023, I'm trying to live in the positive. I have a very negative self-thought. I have a very, I am really mean to myself and negative, and also just think the worst is going to happen, whatever. I always go down that what if scenario, and I was well, it's probably going to be that. I'm already set up for disappointment, and then whatever. I just oh, well, I'm probably not going to, it's not going to happen, whatever. Instead, I'm going to be what if it did happen? Or I think it's going to happen, and it could happen. And you know what? I have faith. You know what? I'm just going to be positive. I'm going to be happy. I'm going to be smiling. I'm going to be not nervous. I'm not going to be not scared. I'm not going to say the wrong thing. I'm going to have cue cards prepped. I'm going to just be ready and comfortable and calm and collected and cool. And just enjoy it. Just go and shop and enjoy. I want to have fun, and I want to enjoy like I do in LA. So that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm just going to go and have fun and not worry so much about it. If I get the bag, great. If I don't, it's fine. There are better bags I can get. I know I'm going to get a bag here. I need to go with that attitude. I need to not put so much pressure and just let it go and just what it is, but put it out there. I'm putting it out there. I want to put it out there in the universe because I've been manifesting a lot and it's kind of been working. So I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it back. I'm going to get it back. She's going to offer me a bag and I'm going to visualize it. She's going to offer me a bag and it's going to be amazing. She's going to offer me my dream Kelly 35 or 32 Return in chai with gold hardware. That's what she's going to offer me. It's going to look beautiful. And I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to meet her. either way, I'm gonna have a great time because it's Paris and I'm gonna have fun and I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm not gonna spend the whole day in the stores. I'm going to enjoy it. I'm gonna go in at the beginning of the day, see what it is, leave. I'm not gonna wait around. If she's there, she's there. If she's not, she's not. For Sèvres, I think my friend is gonna go in and try to connect with his SA, which weirdly, his SA did not respond at all. Like we can't get an email response or anything like that. And he has the email and we emailed Hermès as well to say, hey, can you please connect us? And nothing. So I don't know how, but they respond to me about all other things. They respond to me about the shirts. They respond to me about other things. So it's like, I just don't know how they choose what they respond to or if they just really don't have an answer for him, or they try to reach out and nothing, or that guy's not there anymore. My guy's not there anymore. Obviously he's at Gucci. I'm going to go see him at Gucci and get something from him just to like keep that relationship. If I want, plus he's so handsome. He's totally straight, but it's okay. And then I'm going to, so Sèvres, I'm gonna have my friend go by himself and see what that's like. And if he can talk to that guy, and also he's just got a different look. So we'll see what he gets offered, because Sèvres, I think you can just walk in and get the men's appointment and get offered a men's bag, and then see if you can finagle that into a women's bag. Maybe not, but it's a lot easier to do that there. I'll go in too by myself and see, or we'll go in together. We'll see. I'm just gonna feel it out. If that girl is there, I'll try to talk to her. If not, maybe I'll just maybe I'll put a mask on and sunglasses and just kind of keep myself to myself. We'll see. But I just want to go in and, enjoy. I'm staying near Georges V. The last time I stayed like right by Rue Saint-Honoré in the first. I'm staying in the 8th by Georges V, by the Champs-Élysées and Arc de Triomphe. And I'm really excited because it's like, well, it's right across from the Georges V Hermès, which is the one I'm least going to go to, but I mean, it's there, and there's the Louis Vuitton there, the big one. But my friend, when I lived in Paris in 2008, had a beautiful condo right across the street from Hermès, and I'm excited to stay in that area because it's going to be reminiscent of hanging out there all the time in my youth, in my early 20s. Anyway, okay, so yeah, that's what I feel about Hermès. I'm excited, but I'm not going to have too many expectations. I'm going to just put it out there and be happy, New year, I just, if I get it, I do. If I not, I know I'll get it here, and that's okay. It's a lot more expensive, but it's okay. I will get the bag I want. And if I don't, the other day I went to the Real and looked at some bags, and they have some pretty good ones at decent prices. There's wear, but this bag is going to get worn, and I'm going to use it a lot. I kind of want the very Mary-Kate and Ashley look, where it's just, you use it for everything, you throw it around. I want that on my bag. I want it to be my bag. I'm never going to get rid of it. I'm never going to sell it. It's my bag. I'm going to pass it down to Chai, and then Chai's going to pass it down to his kids, and they're just going to sit in it. Just sit inside the Chai bag. Okay, that's where I'm at. I'm going to just post this as one stream of conscious thought video. I'm not even going to edit it. I'm just going to post it. This is where I am. I'm manifesting it. Please, guys, send me some love. Please send me some love for my Hermès journey, starting today, 2023, part 2 in France. And I will post weekly video updates of it as well, like I have been. If you guys are enjoying those, if you have any questions or comments or want to hear anything, let me know right now. I'm going today. This video is posting today, so it's real time. It's not in the past, whatever, So any questions you have about anything, give them to me today so I can try to answer them and try to do what you want and put them in a video later. I'm going to try to do videos of Paris fashion and ask people on the street if I can, which I feel very uncomfortable about, but I'm going to try, or at least just outfits and stuff, and just what Paris fashion is right now, or what people are carrying right now, kind of thing. It's gonna be super cold and rainy, so I might just be and I said I'm packing super light because I want to have space for things that if I get things, but also I just don't need to have a bunch of options. I always bring a bunch of options and I end up wearing the same shit. Oh, also the sales. I talk about the sales. So the sales, literally everything is gonna be on sale, 60%, besides the biggie ones. So the Gucci's, the Pradas, I think Chanel and stuff are on sale in the department stores. So the department stores are going to be super crazy because they'll have everything on sale and people are going to be a madhouse. But I'm going to go and see what I can get. It's just going to be what do I find? Last time I got this really cool, French, I got a bunch of French brands that are department, kind of Saks or Neiman's brand. It was Lafayette or a Printemps brand. And those ones are really good and really good quality, and they're just as good. They're really nice. I can show you guys some of the stuff later, but I'm just going to go and, and see what's there. I'm excited to see what's there. I have three empty suitcases to fill with stuff from there. So we'll see what I get. But I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna, I'm pause and then decide. I'm not gonna impulse buy as much as I can. Probably get some shoes. I'll probably get a lot of shoes. But I am excited because every year I go. I haven't gone in since 2020 for the sales. Oh no, wait, I went last year, but they weren't that great. But okay, I haven't gone in since 2020 for the winter sales. So I would love to see what it's like now, because when I used to go, it was like crazy pants. But they had so much good stuff. Okay. All right, so that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. Hit each other with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Hello, darling. She's coming with me. She's not. She might. They might. Left side. We're gonna see. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited. I might have to edit this because I'm talking too much. Okay, love you, bye.